Don't tear it.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna start video now.
Video, I can't say it on here.
So the rain is about to come down right now. See? The cloud is dark. Wow. At least there's no lightning and thunder rolling, but
That's the best part.
see the rain, it's coming.
December.
It's coming right on the sea coast. On the way to Montego Bay, that's way over in the mountain up there. The cloud just get dark because the rain is coming down right now. See, the rain is coming down. Oh my God, the cloud just get dark so, you know, just so quick. See the rain coming down. I can feel it touching my face. Oh my goodness. Look at nature. Nature is wonderful and also dangerous. Oh my God. Nature coming like people. It just switch any minute. 1 minute is nice. And the next minute it just switch on you. Make a hell of a U-turn. Oh my God.
Look how the dog here and the time gets stormy.
Yeah. Is there anybody over there though?
Yeah.
Are you seeing anybody?
Yeah.
Well, look here, they have the tent, so I guess that should protect them from the rain.
Yeah, my man there.
Here,
Burro. That one I name take off your heart. Good shit.
I'm going to there, no man. So,
no wrong, but I tell you that the man never care park. The perform.
good, no man.
Yeah.
That's his favorite song, take off your
Yeah. With a Jamaican and I like with a English. And you can't talk you understand?
So that's Mr. Burro there.
Yeah.
Lucy DJ.
Take off your heart. New style coming from the block. Yeah.
They're having a community AIDS awareness program in the bus park where they're educating young people about HIV and STDs and how to protect themselves sexually. That's right in the town of Lucy, and we're right across the water from the town. And we just video and everything, and then the rain is coming down. Cloud gets dark. It's kind of nice and pretty still. But
before the day pretty and just get dark and cloudy.
Is that Pastor? Hi Pastor, I'm videoing.
No.
Where you
going?
Father.